wanted to show you the app I've created for the hackathon. So recently I was very interested in the image generation with the AI stuff and also the role applying models, chatting with the characters and generating some text data, etc. The AI stuff is just awesome. Normally I wouldn't do this application because of lack of the time, but this hackathon kind of motivated me. So I spent some nights on that. And yeah, as you can see, I'm using the clerk for the authentication. So I've logged in already, but you can also check the public stuff without logging in. There is a Discord channel and GitHub repository, since it's open sourced. So how to generate the personas? You can go to generate persona and you can use either the creator mode or the text prompt mode. The text prompt will be just the text that you can write anything you want about the character, and the creator, it will give you some more predefined fields that you can choose. So let's say that we want to create a realistic persona. Let's create a female, adult, and let's, I don't know, select something like artist, personality traits, artistic, curious, maybe let's add creative and friendly, urban, self-taught, cooking, travel, music. Let's select whatever here, and now we can create the prompt. So this is the first thing. We've created the prompt. By default the name is new prompt. Still working on that page, as you can see, and on editing the name and that stuff. But yeah, then you can select how many personas you want to generate in one take. So let's generate 4, and it will basically trigger the ingest functions, and we can see here that we should have the functions running. There will be some status updates that will go to the Redis, so we can have this kind of live view on the generation, because it will take some time. So yeah, you can sit and wait or just browse something else and come back to the prompts. So yeah, I need to still work on that, but yeah, at least it's kind of working. So as you can see, the text was already generated, but it is still generating the images. I divided it into the steps. So yeah, you should probably see it somewhere here, it probably generated the persona, and then we had the steps for generating the image and updating the database. And let's refresh. Oh yeah, so we have generated some personas. The one is still generating, but it's okay. So yeah, the image generation, I'm still working on that, but yeah, sometimes it produces kind of good results. Like here, it's pretty okay. And yeah, we have some information, kind of structurized information, so it's always in the same structure. And yeah, you cannot chat with the persona for now, but yeah, maybe in the future. And we can publish the persona, and if we publish that, it will go to the public personas. We can like it and yeah, bookmark it, and we can see the other personas. We can also add a comment if we want to say that someone created a pretty cool persona. So yeah, I think that's it. We have some tokens for generation, but it's mainly to don't overuse the service. So just to don't have thousands of calls to the AI stuff. So yeah, that's my application. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to make everything perfect, but yeah, at least it's kind of working. The main idea is working, so yeah, that's cool. thanks for listening.